Goa is the richest country in India today with highest per capita income, and it is spending 10 crore rupees every day on developmental works, having 150 crore rupees in its account right now. The primary sector is growing and the industrial sector is also growing. This is what Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has told the Goa Assembly. Fiscal management is a favorite subject of Parrikar. When he starts speaking, he goes on throwing figures at you, without even looking at the papers. And the same thing he did when he started explaining the fiscal position of Goa on Friday. Listen to this.
GSDPच्या हातून प्रायमरी सेक्टराचे कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन केवळ 4.8% आशिल्लें 11-12 4.8%. I am pleased to tell the House that it has crossed 7% now. आणि प्रायमरी सेक्टर म्हणजे कितें जाल्यार एग्रीकल्चर, एनिमल हजबेंड्री एंड फिशरीज. एग्रीकल्चरचे कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन वॉज 2.38%. इट हॅज रिजन टू नाव 2.83%. एनिमल हजबेंड्रीचे कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन वॉज 0.55% इन ओवरऑल GDP. इट हॅज इन्क्रीज टू 0.81%. Fisheries contribution was 1.81%. It has gone up to 2.81%. Overall, primary sector in absolute term has grown by 117%, more than doubled in 5 years. Whereas GSDP has grown by 51%. Industrial sector, तुम्ही विचारता, industrial sector चा growth 62%. It is now contributing 41.1% of the total GSDP. हांव हे मुद्दाम इतल्याकूच सांगता की in spite of mining ban which brought down for 2 consecutive years our GSDP down by something like 15-20%, the current year we are projecting more than 11% growth. We are positive and more than 11% growth. Per capita income, which was 2.89 lakhs in 2012-13, has now grown to 4,25,000 rupees in the state. Technically, Goa is the richest state in the country. 82,000 loan asa pratyekaच्या नावार. अरे 82,000 loan asat, it is only 19% of your income. It is notional loan of the state versus GSDP of the state. GSDP of the state is 4,25,000 crore. 122 days our account has been always surplus. तातले 22 दीस सुटी आशिल्ल्यो. 100 working day approximately आसा. त्या 100 working day 1,018 कोटी रुपया development workaचे payment जाला. 10.18 crores per day is the payment this government is making as of now. आणि इतलें करून स्टेटीच्या तिजोरेन आजच्या दिसा 152 कोटी रुपया अकाउंट क्रेडिट आसा. गृह आधार 1,52,000 आमी थारायल्या, कारण आमच्या एस्टिमेटा प्रमाणे 1,40,000 वयर एलिजिबल ना लोक. हाजो अर्थ 10-20,000 केसीस income exceed जावनूय घेतात. So we are doing a review, maybe 6 months it will take. In that review, I expect about 15-20,000 names to be dropped. So misuse जावंक जायना, कारण misuse जायत तर तूं जाल्यार केन्ना तरी ती हें स्कीम कोलॅप्स जातली. दर म्हयन्याक 30 कोटी DSSाक वता आमचे. दर म्हयन्याक जवळ जवळ 22.5 कोटी गृह आधाराक वता, आनी दर म्हयन्याक साधारणपणे 10 कोटी रुपया लाडली लक्ष्मीक वता. So these 3 schemes itself is taking about 63 crores per month. I am expecting during the current year, because of GST impact, we will get at least ह्या वर्साकूच 400-500 कोटी रुपया चड मेळटले.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, पणजी.